We found these items while cleaning. Whose car did that come from?
Now, that looks like hair that could have come from my family, but my kids don't like hard candy.
Go ahead and... if you're gonna throw up, just pass it down the line. Pass it.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
I'm scared.
It's Harry! It's Harry!
It's
definitely a hard candy.
Don't even pass it to me. I might throw up. Anything that's hairy, please do not pass it this way.
I don't get why these are so bad.
We have. Ew!
Oh,
Oh, it's
those are pretzels.
And this was actually the last one.
Oh my gosh! In our car?
Yes.
No way.
That did not happen.
I'm not missing any knives, so.
That is the biggest knife
we
ever.
do some like things at church sometimes where we're carrying food back and forth.
At church?
Yeah, we use giant butcher
Somebody
knives
has a
at church.
secret life in.
What I have are images from the 3 cars we detailed. Would any of you allow your car to get as dirty as that?
Is this? No. No way.
Have you ever seen your car that bad before? Yeah.
No, worse.
I don't know.
Worse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Yeah. A puzzle piece. Someone lost their puzzle piece. The puzzle won't be complete. Why would you do a puzzle in the car?
Would you like to know who had the dirtiest car? It was Kai.
I figured, was it the dog fur?
It was a lot.
Of dog fur or a lot of stuff?
Stuff.
Now I want to see. I'm going to be on those kids. That dumb dog.